Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can verify the Stake app and how you can check the about section and how you can check the details of the Stake app. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open the Stake app. I'm going to click on this and we have to open this. And now we have to go to the profile section. So let's click on this profile section. And after that, we have to scroll down, and after scrolling down, you will be able to see the about Stake. So we have to click on this, and here you will get all the details regarding the app, like our bakers. These all are his are provided here. These are, and the 1 million plus registered users and AED 1 billion plus property transactions, user nationalities and AED. So these all details are provided here. Stake property limited. So you can also check out these. View certificates and license number is also provided here, and the news. These all details are provided here. You can check the founders here. So in this way you can verify the Stake app details. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can view this. So see you in the next video.